Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Larry's equipment from Maine, and this is the initial checkout. And we're going to be converting this single slot payphone. And what we want to do is remove the main PC board. That's of no use to us. It's a programmable board. It cannot be used in the conversion, and so we will remove that. We also want to make sure that our change is dropping through our coin validator and down into our vault area. Now, another issue is we do not use line cords on our conversions, so this will be removed. We install a modular port so that Larry can simply bring in any length, any color line cord, plug right into the modular port. It makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to go into the vault area, and we want to make sure that everything is clear so the money will drop down into the vault area. Now, we want to also talk about the receiver. We know, since we've already done a little troubleshooting to this telephone, that the receiver has an issue, and we want to take care of that also. We also want to make sure that our security cable is good, so we'll go through that. Now, a plus, Larry has the front cover key, he also has the vault key, and he has a T key. So that's a real big plus because he has all of his keys, and so that is a great thing. So now what we want to do is we also want to install a bell. This telephone does not have a bell in it, and we want to make sure that Larry has a bell so that you can hear when you're getting a phone call. We also want to go through the keypad. We have to make sure that this telephone's going to dial out. So we have a lot of work that we need to do to this payphone, and we're going to get a start on it, and we'll get some video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of reconfiguring our PC board here, and we wanted to show a little bit about what was going on. So that's been reconfigured to work the way we want it to work. We also installed our modular line port, and you simply bring your line cord in and plug right into that modular port now. We also installed a handset cord, and that feeds the bell that we installed. This telephone did not have a bell in it, so now this cord here will be plugged into the bell, and we'll do a still picture of that. Now we also had to replace the receiver capsule, and the T1 was bad, so it was getting noisy and it had a static sensation to it. So we installed an amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and they are of high quality. You will not get any kind of static sensation or noise from them. When the T1s go bad here, basically what happens is there's a static sensation sound, and they kind of crackle and they'll pop, and kind of a sizzling sound, and so that had to be replaced. Now what we want to do is we want to take our keypad, reinstall it, and then we're going to reconnect our line cord here for our handset, the security cable, and then we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this single slot payphone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And we want to go ahead and put some money into this unit. So we'll use a quarter. We'll do 1 dime. We'll use a nickel. 1 more quarter. 1 more dime. And 1 last nickel. Now, if the unit rejects any of the change, it will go down into the coin return. So that's set up also. Now we want to go ahead and pull our change out. We have our change in here. We can dump that. Put our coin box back in. Now what we can do is we can ring this unit, and this payphone did not have a bell when it came in, so that was installed. We showed that earlier, and we'll go ahead and use the analyzer, and we'll send a ring cycle. We'll let that go another time. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. And that transmitter is an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. So it's not like the T1. They don't get noisy. They won't crackle and sizzle and pop. It's got a very high clarity, and Larry will have the receive and the transmit that he will need to hold a conversation on this telephone. So now what we can do is we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Good morning. Today is Saturday, November 14th. The time is 12:27. Current temperature 40 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Sunny today with highs in the upper 50s. Clear tonight, lows in the 30s. Sunny Saturday, highs in the mid-60s.
We can hang up, give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Larry and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where he installs it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6600. 6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.